Back at the beginning of March, I made the canopies for the station platforms at Innsdorf, but I didn't fit them until I had the opportunity to turn over the baseboard so as to work on the wiring for the lighting on the underside of the board. This was a fairly fiddly and complicated task. The platform building side was the simpler. I simply drilled the hole and passed the small wires through it and then glued the canopy into place on the front of the building as planned. The other platform needed some concrete columns on which to hold the canopy and a small waiting room for people to wait out of the drafts and the cold and the snow and the rain that you get in these places.